Hey there! So, imagine you're working on a spreadsheet and you come across a little problem. You're trying to mix the subtotal and SUMIF functions to get a total that only counts the positive numbers in a specific column. The subtotal function keeps giving you 0 because of the entry balances. Frustrating, right? You need a formula that will subtotal only the positive amounts using SUMIF, so you can then sort the lines by value. Let's dive into this dilemma and find a solution together. Now let's talk about the solution. You can try using the following formula. Equals let A2, A39, B2, B39, C, unique A, hyphen A, XLOOKUP TEXTBEFORE, C, SUMIFS BB, 0, C. This formula packs a punch by helping you achieve your goal effortlessly. It cleverly leverages the power of let, XLOOKUP, and SUMIFS to filter out those pesky zeros and give you the subtotal you desire. Just pop this formula into your spreadsheet and watch the magic happen. Say goodbye to manual calculations and hello to efficiency. In a nutshell, we've tackled a common problem faced when working with Excel functions and found a nifty solution to streamline your workflow. Feel free to give this formula a spin and see the positive impact it can have on your data analysis tasks. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy Excel, ing.